So hey, what's up mga kote? It's me, Ate Mariel, at welcome sa Quadernos, where learning is the name of the game. So kung bago ka pa lamang sa aming YouTube channel, i-click mo na subscribe, like, and share button para mag-updated ka sa aming mga videos. So samahan natin si Super K sa panibagong araw at panibagong lesson na ating matututunan dito sa Quadernos, at ang bagong lesson natin for today is what do living things need. So kaakibat ng lesson na living things and non-living things. So dito natin malalaman ano pa yung mga needs and wants also ng living things. So before we start our lesson, we should have a trivia for today. So yan, meron tayong PowerPoint. M&M stands for Mars and Muri. Oops. So Mars and Muri. So yun yung M&M's. So kung sino ba nakakita ng M&M's sa mga Robinsons, sa mga stores, sa mga department stores, or sa mga supermarkets. So ang M&M ay Mars and Muri. Forrest Mars, son of the Mars Company founder, first spotted the British confection Smarties during Spanish Civil War and noticed that candy shell prevented the chocolate from melting. So he teamed up with Bruce Muri, son of Hershey's Chocolates president, and the company later trademarked that melts in your mouth, not in your hand slogan. So M&M is Mars and Muri. Wow, mga son pala na para mga son ni Charlie in the Chocolate Factory, like Willy Wonka. So that's one of my favorite movie, Charlie in the Chocolate Factory, because I love chocolates, and M&M's is one also my favorite chocolates that I would eat. Maliban sa Goya, Toblerone, and Cadbury. So yan, that M&M stands for Mars and Muri. So yan, meaning ng M&M's. So iba't iba yung klase ng M&M's. So yan, living things need air. So this is our lesson proper. So siyempre, living things need air. That's a very essential. Kung walang air, hindi tayo makakahinga. Oh, nag-next ulit siya. So ayan. So nag-next ulit siya. So living things have many different needs. This includes air we breathe. Try holding your breath. Try mo lang. Pero wag matagal. How does quickly body let you know it does need more air? So kapag hindi ka na makahinga, gusto mo nang gumanon, so that's the signal that you need more air. Land animals and people breathe oxygen directly from air. So inhale, exhale, so ganan. So living things need air. So, breathe, yan. So, yan, living things need air. So, breathe, so, it's from plants, so, sa air, so, yan. So, living things need water. Living things can also need water. How long do you think the cyclist can go without water? So, kunyari, nagbabike ka. So, how long? So, yung sa mga cyclists dyan, hanggang kailan kayo nakakatagal ng walang tubig? So, yan. So, plants use water to grow. Animals get thirsty too. So, hindi lang tayo mga tao nauuhaw, pati ang plants and animals. That's why they also need water. Another use of water is to keep our body clean. Animals like our pets need good, but to keep them neat and clean. So, yan. They need to take a bath. We need water to take a bath. Syempre, para maging malinis. Kagaya rin ng mga animals. They need water to drink, to use it for pampaligo. So, yan. Living things need water. So, yan. Water. So, living things need food. Yan. Kailangan talaga yan. Pagkain. So, living things get their energy from the food they eat. Food helps living things to survive. So, prutas naman yan, meat, gulay, mga drinks. So, yan. We need it. It is the resource that allows living things to do things. But too much food can make your body and make it obese. So, hinay-hinay lang din sa pagkain. We need food, but we need also to take care of our body and to monitor our intake. So, we need calories, but too much calories can lead us into obesity. And it's very bad for us. So, yan. Living things need good food to grow and to become healthy. We use the energy from food to run, jump, and play sports. So ayan, from chemical energy, nagiging mechanical energy siya. If I'm not mistaken, that's our lesson. So, ayan, we need that to, in order to have energy para magawa natin yung mga nagagawa natin. So, living things need food. So, ayan, food and water. So, ayan. living things need shelter. We need also a house. So, oops, nagflex. Shelter protect people and animals from wind and the rain. Just like you have a home or place to live, so do animals and plants. So plants needs a good place to grow. Animals need a dog house, a barn, a place where or box where they can stay or where they can sleep. So living things need space. They need enough space to do their own things without interfering with the lives of other living things. So yeah, so living things need shelter. So yeah, living things need shelter. So ayan, meron tayong living things need shelter by Little Pebble. So ayan, this is the end of our lesson. Thank you, have a great day, and God bless. So click the thumbs up button if you like this video and leave a comment down below if you have suggestions, clarifications, and suggestions for our future videos. So thank you, have a great day, and God bless. See you in my next video. Bye bye.